You are different. Beauty's in the eye of the beholder, baby. And to me, you're different as night and day from all the rest. There's not a lot of things that can excite me, ignite me. You're all that, and then some. Your lips, your smile. Can I reminisce just for a while? Your eyes, your hair, everything I love, you've got it right there. Your soft tone when you speak, your sexiness down